In this video we are going to talk about how can we download Notepad++ and how can we write a simple code in Notepad++. So let's get started. You just have to write this. Either you can go to this website or you can click here. We have to we'll be downloading the latest version. Now we will see the system requirements. As per as user system requirements, you can download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to open it here. So you can see that I will be opening a new file. Here what I'm going to type is I'm going to clear that HTML is not a case sensitive language. That means small alphabets and capital alphabets are all same. So you don't have to just do like this capital and that's not capital. Just everything is anything you can do. So because it's not a case sensitive language, and we are going to write a code. We are writing a simple program. What these types of programs helps in the way that helps us is they just for example, if we have written head, so it will show the option of head, and then we are going to start body. So it makes our code more easy sometimes in bigger codes obviously. And so as you can see that I have write all the things over here. You can see that doc type HTML head title. Inside title I have written the title. Head is also written, that means it's closed. Title is closed. Body started, body closed, HTML closed. So you want to save it by Ctrl+S. You can even go to the file option and find it. For example, I'm going to type this as TT. You can write anything. Extension will be same, point HTML. I'm gonna save this. You're going to type run F5, or you can see over here, you can see the option of run. You can click here too. So type, you have to write the name of this program, tt.html. so whatever will be your default application, it will open it with that. In my condition it's Microsoft. Now you're knowing it's Microsoft Edge. So it's a simple program. So yeah, this video, we made this video very small for your convenience, so you can learn those basic things. They are basic, that's why it was made in very little time, in a small time. So thank you friends, and if you also want to learn how to code in learn how to code different languages in Notepad++, please subscribe to our channel. After updating the tutorials of HTML, we will also be uploading that, and you can see the videos. Thank you friends.